competition and my mom helped me put it together. When I do my science experiments, I'm going to run my lab coat. Safety first. What is
Okay, ready? Put it on. Hey guys, it's Danny here, and who are you?
Ethan?
Oh, today we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do some science experiments, or we're gonna do one out of the 50 that we have, right? Which one do you want to do?
The volcano.
Yay! We're gonna learn the science behind an erupting volcano. So, in case you were wondering, we got this 50 plus science experiment kit off of Amazon. I'll link it below. No affiliation at all. And we're gonna jump right into it. So, it does come with a book, right, Ethan?
Yep.
Okay, awesome. So here's the book. It says experiment manual. Ooh. And then we're gonna flip to, wow, they have all these cool things. Gemstone dig, crystal growing, sugar rainbow, super cool. Now we are going to look for the volcano eruptions. Here we go, we found it.
It looks very...
Yay! So now we're gonna pull out of the box all of the materials that it says, okay? So first we need, and we're gonna have Ethan find it, we need the volcano model.
Oh, okay.
You got it? Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, oops. Got it right here, yay! Next we're gonna need baking soda. Let's see what this is. This is crystal growing powder. This is citric acid. Baking soda, we found it. Okay, put that to the side. Oh, and we need the citric acid, which is gonna be this one. Really cool because everything is labeled. So here's the citric acid. Put that to the side. Now we need the red pigment.
Pigments.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
Oh yeah, okay, grab that.
What is a red pigment?
It's just dye. There we go. Let's see. Show the camera, Papa. Oh yeah. Let me see. Here goes the red pigment. Put that to the side. Now we need a measuring cup, which is gonna be here, I'm sure.
It is.
Yep. Take a measuring cup. Now we need the measuring spoon. Get the measuring spoon.
It's easy to find. Wait, what does it look like?
It looks like this right here.
Definitely.
I think it's right here. Measuring spoon, we got it.
Yep.
Next, we need the stirring rod.
No.
I presume this could be it.
Is this?
No, that's a paintbrush. There's a lot of stuff in here, guys.
A stirring rod.
That's a straw. Oh, wait. Here we go. This looks like the stirring rod.
What is this?
I don't know. We'll figure that out later. Here goes the stirring rod. Super cool. Put that to the side. Now we need the golden paper.
Oh, I know where it is. I know where it is.
Awesome. Really? And then the clear plastic tube, which is going to be...
Mommy, it's this.
No, this. Which is going to be that. Okay, so now, are you excited?
It has wrapper on it.
Oh yeah, take the wrapper off and I'm gonna read the directions, what it says in the manual, okay?
Okay.
So it says, a volcanic eruption is when the Earth's interior is filled with hot magma and expanding bubbles. Under extreme pressure, the magma breaks through the crust from a weak point and gushes out, causing a volcanic eruption. The baking soda in the experiment is alkaline and the citric acid is acidic, and the two react to produce large amounts of gas and bubbles, giving off heat and producing the eruption. Awesome. This is so cool. I am so excited for this, to see how mixing these different elements together is going to create an awesome volcano.
Yeah, even though I love my mommy.
I love you too. Okay, so let's see. Now we do need to go grab some water, so I'll be right back.
Mommy, we need this.
No, this is for the lava lamp. We're not doing lava lamp. We are doing a volcano. Okay, I'll be back, right back. Gonna go get some water. Okay. All right, so you guys can't see me, but that's okay. I'm just assisting the mad scientist here, which is Ethan. So now what we're gonna do first is we are going to fill in some of our worksheet. So, Ethan, what is the question of this experiment?
How can a volcano erupt?
Awesome. All right, I'm gonna get that down. Or why? Or why does a volcano erupt?
How? Wow.
Okay. Awesome. So what do we think is going to happen? What is our hypothesis?
That we're excited.
Yes, we are excited. Okay. So our hypothesis is that a volcano erupts because of pressure under the ground and the acidic stuff. Right? Okay, awesome. Anyways, all right, so that's what we're gonna put.
Yeah.
So our hypothesis is pressure creates eruption. Awesome sauce. Okay, now let's get to it. All right, Ethan. So now first things first, I'm gonna go reading the instructions, okay? I'm gonna go reading the instructions. So when it says prepare a measuring cup and pour in 80 milliliters of water and add 5 drops of red pigment and mix well. So first we're gonna get the water and we're gonna look here on the measuring cup to where it says 5 milliliters. It's only 5? Oh, 80. 80 milliliters, which is gonna be right at the top, almost at the top if you can see. Okay, so you're gonna fill the water up to this line, all right?
What about if I make a oopsies?
Oh, you're fine, you'll be okay. That's what experiments are about. Okay, let me help you.
And I open it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I open
All right,
it.
there you go.
Tell you when to stop, okay?
Okay. Right there. A little bit more. Okay. Perfect.
And then now the food coloring. Or the color. Oh.
Yeah, the red pigment. So we're gonna do 5 drops of red pigment and mix well. Did you get it open? Okay, ready? So count.
I'm going to count it.
1. That's it. Yeah.
I get to mix.
Okay. All right.
I want to mix,
awesome.
okay?
Okay, now mix it up.
And see what it makes.
We're just mixing it well, mixing it well.
How many times?
Okay, I think that looks pretty good.
No one come in here.
Okay, so now we're doing...
Pouring.
Okay, so now we're gonna take the citric acid and the baking soda, and we're gonna put 2 scoops of each into here, okay?
Okay.
And then Ethan, I want you to show them how we put the plastic tube inside the volcano. Show them.
So, my mom did it for me, but I tried before.
All right,
That's all
good
it
job.
is. It's all that is.
Okay, good job. All right, awesome. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna open these for you, okay?
Okay, I can open. I want to open this one.
You know, be careful because there's. Oh. Okay. Awesome. Okay. You got it? All right. Okay, so what did I say? We're gonna take 2 scoops of each.
I know.
Hold on, wait, hold on, let me read this again. It says, use the measuring spoon, 2 spoonful each of citric acid as well as baking soda, a little golden paper, and place in the volcano. Okay, all right, cool. So take 2 scoops of that, put it in there. We're gonna put 2 scoops of, what are you using? That is the citric acid. So that's 1 scoop, put it inside the volcano. Awesome. The next scoop, put it inside the volcano. Awesome. Okay, now close that. Very good, because we don't want to make a mess. We don't want to waste our materials. Okay, now take the baking soda and put 2 scoops of baking soda inside the volcano. 1, 2.
I actually want to see how it looks like.
Okay, now wait, don't do that. Okay, wait, don't mix it. Okay, no, that's fine. Okay, so now close it up, and then we are going to sprinkle some of this, not the whole thing.
No, I want to let you do it.
Me?
Yeah.
No, you're the scientist. Here you go.
Gosh.
Sprinkle some.
Tell me when to stop, okay?
Okay, that looks good. All right.
And then pour this.
Okay, ready? Bum, ba-da-dam. Wait. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Are you excited to see what happens? Okay, ready? Go. Wow, look at that. It's erupting. So cool.
Let's put some more.
How are you feeling now?
Good.
So what did you learn?
I don't know.